Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the purpose and the minimum prerequisites: agenda, participants, and key files. Open Teams and create the meeting now. Choose a 15-60-minute duration based on goals. Add required attendees and optional observers, then paste the agenda and supporting files into the invite so everyone arrives prepared. Once done, set a clear starting prompt in the chat and enable meeting options: who can present, lobby behavior, and recording permission, so setup won't block your first minute together. You open with a concise 1-2-minute check-in and restate the meeting goal, which aligns expectations and reduces drift. Once underway, follow the agenda and call out time limits. Assign a timekeeper and note-taker to maintain rhythm and capture decisions. Use screen sharing for visuals, the whiteboard for brainstorming, and reaction emojis for quick consensus. Make sure to summarize each agenda item's decision and next action before moving on, so nothing is assumed, but everything is recorded. You finish by recapping decisions, assigning owners, and stating deadlines clearly. Saying names and dates aloud prevents ambiguity. Once the meeting ends, upload the recording, notes, and action item list to the Teams channel or the original invite so everyone has one source of truth. If engagement or technical problems occurred, schedule a brief focused follow-up or one to resolve outstanding items. This prevents stalled work. Troubleshooting tip: if audio or sharing fails, have participants join a dial-in number or switch to the chat-driven fallback immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.